The diagram shows a square with a perimeter of 16 centimetres. Work out the proportion of the area inside the square that is shaded. Okay, so if I know the perimeter is 16 centimetres, I know it's a square. If I do 16 divided by 4, I'm going to get the length of all of it. 16 by 4 is actually 16. So I know this is 4 centimetres, I know that's 4 centimetres, I know all of this is 4 centimetres, I know all of that is 4 centimetres. So we need to work out this bit here, which is the shaded area. And it might seem a bit of a complicated question. You need to try and divvy it up. They tend to go for triangles these days. So I'm actually going to split this up like here. So I've got one blue triangle, okay, and one black triangle. Now if I know your black triangle, I'm going to use this as your base. I'm going to use that as your height. So I know for a black triangle, it's a 2 times 4, which is your base times height divided by 2, which will actually equal 4 centimetres squared. Now for my blue triangle, I'm going to use this as my base and that as my height. If you wanted to turn it around to look at it like that way, so that this is my base and that is the height, might help you out. I've got 3 times 4. I'm dividing it by 2. 3 times 4 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6, and then centimetres squared. And I add them up, so I know both the shaded area is going to be 10 centimetres squared. Okay. So now we need to work out the area of all of it. Okay. It's 4 times 4 is 16. So it's 10 centimetres out of 16 centimetres. So if I want a proportion, your proportion, you've got to think of how it can be done. You can give proportion as a percentage, you can give it as decimal. I'm just going to keep it as a fraction really. So I'm going to do 10 over 16. This is a perfectly acceptable answer. It doesn't say the answer's got to be in the simplest form. It just says, give me a proportion that's shaded, which is 10/16. You can cancel this down to be 5/8, but either one's fine.